de ajuda. Verdade, Tiffany.
Wait, can I talk to you?
What's up?
I got some bad news for you. You know Tiffany, from the club. She been stepping out, seeing that long-finger chow on the side.
What? There's no way.
Listen, man, I overheard her talking to him on the payphone outside her place. I guess she's keeping him off her cell.
Telefone usado por ti.
天日撐硬我㗎。
Acelera. De novo. Das escuta.
Hey, baby.
Hey, Sugar Lips, you keeping warm for me?
You know I am. I can't wait to see you again.
How about tonight?
I can't, baby. I have to work late.
You sure?
I'd love to, baby. You know I can't wait to taste you again. But it'll have to be next week.
If you say so.
I'll call you, and don't worry. I'll keep everything nice and juicy for you.
Son of a bitch. Calvin? Wait. You were right, man. She's cheating. She's meeting him sometime next week. Keep your eyes open, man. I want to know when they're meeting and where.
Alguma coisa, entendeu? Tá bom. Siga Tiffany. Nossa, ainda era uma semana. Aqui no clube Vingança.
What the fuck's going on?
Dog Eye shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait. He went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront.
Vale.
All his trucks move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gatan in the shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. But we need Suwa alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eye's biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun. And use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eye's drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure.
Acontece bastante. Caramba, eu já peguei. Já passei aqui, né?
All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around. You wait for my signal to attack.
What? You seen the new Caribbean? Go once. Silver. Thinking of getting one for my girl.
I know him.
Fucking get him!
Ué. Me tinha agarrado.
Who the fuck is this?
Tô agarrado, velho. Te agarrões. Ai, ai. Ah, mentira. Trocou o botão. Explora a fábrica, tem mais cara ali. Pega na bica. Vamos ver se ele vai estar armado, né? Melhor isso agora. Cara larga as bolas, faca. Esse é o que vai estar maquinado, né?
Hey, who are you? I think I got one. You're the motherfucker's gonna die.
懟冧佢，你砸硬㗎！幫大佬做嘢啊！
Agora estou maquinado. Pra dar tiro no controle. Ah, porque você tá errado ainda. Que carrega isso aqui. Trocar pelo 9mm. Mouse. Ué, a luz tá na frente, consegui ver. Longe. Tá muito boa de longe. Como é que carrega?
Fuck. Siwa, you're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive!
Stop!
All right, light it up! Come on! Stop! Stop them chasing me!
No seu pé, aí você para.
Fuck!
Shit.
It's really burning! Run! Run!
Oxi.
Guys! Help me! Fuck you! God damn it, let go of me! What are you doing? Let go of me! You're fucking with the wrong people! God damn it, let go of me!
Tem que te levar, né? Ah, dá pra correr com você, ó. Saindo segurado.
Don't move!
Shit.
I said, don't move!
Fucking cops.
Let go of me! Fuck!
Deve trazer-se o ileso. Sonhar com a nossa família aparecer.
done.
Negócio.
What are you doing?
Shut up.
You know what you just did? You're dead. You're dead.
Look, I'm not afraid of dog eyes.
Dog eyes? Motherfucker, I get paid by Dog Eyes, but all my product goes to Big Smile Lee. You wanna fuck with him?
I just did.
You dumb bastards got any idea how badly this is going to fuck things?
Hey, ask me if I care.
My product is what makes the whole triad work.
I don't give a shit about your product. And you keep talking about it, I'm like...
Bala, não.
That was fucking crazy! See you. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Mission conclude. Ponto dos dois lá. Nível 3, bom. Ah, tem uma caixa aqui. Agora eu tenho uma arma. Oxi. Oxi. Caraca. Ninja. Mais uma caixinha. Agora, o lugar que eu passei, que tinha a cura. Corrida ali é morta. Pronto, falta mais um, quer ver mais um up. Tá aqui do lado mesmo, como eu não preciso vir necessariamente de moto, eu faço de moto. Roubado, porque a minha tá sem boa. curtinho. Prestígio 25 mil. Vamos pra moto certa. Nossa senhora. Essa é grande. É pra ir pra cama e tem o seguir Tiffany. Ah, é pra passar o tempo. Essa aqui eu tenho um carro pra fazer essa. Prestígio, sempre vou pegar mais um nível. Moto. Será que é a minha dá? Dá. Pra trás de mim, perto de Sorro. Sorro e nessa cobrinha. Casa papada, Sorro naquela cobrinha. Maldade, isso. Sabia que tinha que cair em cima da porra da ponte. Porque pai vai falar onde tem que ir. consigo fazer marcação. Tipo, marcar ponto de rota. Oxe, batendo na guia. Nossa, nem deu level. Perto da minha casa. Perto do templo. Sorro perto do templo aqui. Perto do templo. Tá tipo aqui. Isso aqui. Depois eu esqueço.
What do I do?
Ai.
What is this?
Se mexe. Não vai conseguir subir. Sorry. Pronto. Então, não esquece de deixar o seu like, compartilhar, se inscrever aí se curtiu, beleza? Dá aquela força no canal. A gente vai ficando por aqui.